Yep, tell me please.
Okay, so again back to the spiritual side of our life, which is also really important. I would recommend the Căldărușani Monastery, which is a wonderful piece of art to the east of Bucharest this time. It's the largest Orthodox monastery in Wallachia, and it has a kind of fortified church near Bucharest, also with defensive role in the past times. It is a major highlight for pilgrims, and it was a really important point in the last centuries. You can admire here a miraculous icon of Saint Mary, and people who are passionate about religion can also see the relics of Saint Grigorie Dascalu. You can also see here the richest religious museums of this area of the northern side of Bucharest. So whenever you want a moment of peace and calm, and I don't know, when you want to find yourself in this crowded world, you just have to come to Căldărușani for a moment of peace.